Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today is Vlogmas day 3. I'm so happy that I've made it to day 3 so far. Surprisingly, I'm on track, which is good. So today's a bit of an, let's say, impromptu, should I say impromptu visit? Not really impromptu, but like impromptu idea to go somewhere. So basically, remember when you guys saw me go to Fontana? Yeah, so there's a Starbucks right beside it, and they hadn't opened as yet. And when I was doing some editing day before, which was yesterday, I saw that they were opening today. Well, I think they're opening today, but they did put out something saying be there tomorrow 11 a.m. at their newest location, da 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 da. So I'm guessing either it's a soft launching or it's a full opening. Whichever one it is, we're going today. So I saw it and I was like, okay, I'm going today. So that is gonna take me today, and I'm gonna show you guys like what's happening out there. At the end of the day, I still do kind of need to go to the supermarket to get something from mom because she wants to make chicken foot soup later. So that isn't really the main goal of where we're going, but that's also still there to do too. So we're going over there today to see what is really happening. They haven't really given much insight on what's gonna be really taking place, but I'm still going. Anyways, different start to the day today. I normally start with like, doing my skincare and stuff. Skincare is already done, and I already just tie down my hair, the regular, nothing serious with the hair. I'm going to find an outfit. So as I said, I'm not exactly sure what I want to wear specifically, but we're just gonna go to the closet and see what they have. I have this cute like long sleeve top. This one right here, I don't wear it very often. I think I wore this once. I don't remember where I wore it anyways, but I think I wore it. I wore this once, and I don't think I've worn it again since then. I don't know why, but I've either once or twice, one of the two of them. But I think like this is so cute, and I wanted to wear it today. Long sleeve, comfortable, cute little design at the front there. So the top isn't really my biggest issue though. It's the bottom that's my thing, because I don't know what I want to wear. I'm not in the mood for wearing a skirt. That's number one. It's either I wear pants or I do like jean shorts or something like that. Oh, I have these really nice jean shorts. I think I might wear these. Instead. They're like ripped. They're so cute. And I really like them. I think I might wear these instead. I'm supposed to be leaving at 10:30. Supposed to be leaving at 10:30. It's now 9:47. So let me go put on my clothes and get myself ready to see if I can actually make it out of this house by then. So I'm going to put on my outfits and then come back to you when I have my outfit on. Okay guys, outfit is on. Kind of short, so I'm trying to let you see. So I'm wearing the shorts with the long sleeve, and this is what the top looks like. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. What I like, I'm gonna be wearing gold jewelry today. Not doing anything much, just really simple. I don't know what bag I'm carrying as yet. How many bag is? Should I wear it? Should I do my belt? No. There's no reason for me to wear this belt today. Is there? No. I don't want to put this in. I like this bag. I'm trying to figure out if I should wear this bag that I just got today. I feel like I want to, but I'm not wearing it this low because this is really low for me. I think I might actually wear this today. Yeah, I like this. I think I'm gonna wear this back today. Alright, so I'm gonna fix up myself now and then get back to you. Okay guys, so it's now 10:28, perfect time. I am leaving. So when we are there, or when we're along the way going there, I'll see you guys back there, or maybe when I reach back there I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, so we're here. Over here is a kind of pop up today compared to the other time we come, right? Yeah. So it's a bit packed up today. It's Friday, so people are coming out lunchtime, not lunchtime, whenever they're coming. I think the entrance is around there, so that's where we're going. And then we're gonna go inside. Is this one? Yeah, this is the entrance. So guys, I just came out there, and as you can see, it's very packed inside here. It's also kind of small, which is fine, but they just opened, so I did expect in there to be packed. Not as packed as I saw it, but I did expect in there to be packed. Anyways, I got, so yeah guys, as I was saying, in there is small and they just opened, so I did expect it to be a little packed, which is fine and everything and all that. I just went in there just to see how in there would be, you know, also if the stuff tastes not really any different, but there's a specific one that I do like to go to because their stuff tastes the best, like the quality it is better. But all I got was just an egg, oh, this egg bacon and cheese bagel, and I got a chestnut. Well, I told her a latte, but I'm guessing she didn't hear because they're playing music and all kind of something in there. There's so much traffic up on the road today? For what reason?
Are they going shopping?
Shopping? Them have money? Side eye. The people them have money. Anyways, I got a chestnut praline, or praline, whatever they want to call it. I told her a latte, but I'm guessing she didn't hear me. I'm more of a latte person than frappuccino, but I'll have a frap once in a while, so it's not a big deal to me. It's okay. So we're going to the supermarket real quick just to pick up just a sweet potato for mom, because she said she wanted to do something, so we're gonna pick up a sweet potato and then we're going back home. Alright guys, so yeah, that one is okay. Alright, okay. Yeah, she said she just wanted sweet potato. I pick up something for I pick up one little biscuit or something. So we're in the supermarket guys. I pick up sweet potato for mom already. And Daddy went to pick up a little something for himself to drink, it's orange juice. Pick up something for himself to drink, and so here back I look for some for mama as well. Because they aren't really the coffee persons, they don't like. Pick up one because it's not fair. It's not different. Oh, Malta. Yeah, see them there. There, so. This one and this one. Either one of them. So yeah guys, we're just picking up the last few little things that we need. And then we're gonna cash out. That's ginger. Got a lemon and ginger? I don't know ginger. I know the ginger bulla. Well, pick up the one here then. Pick up the one here then. These are the regular ones, yeah. So yeah guys, let's pick up, you know, just some little knickknacks to eat. That's it. Alright, let's go. You don't need nothing more. Alright. We went to the cashier now, guys.